Yeah, hello from VentTabs. This is a short video to inform you about the key working parts of the air vent in your vehicle. Air vents come in all shapes, sizes, configurations. They come in horizontal and vertical type vents, vents for the front dashboard, vents for the rear. So let me point out a few of these key elements here. The key one that's in your dashboard is actually the vent assembly. This has many different shapes and formats. This one's been removed. This is what it usually looks like sitting inside the dashboard, and sometimes that's the root cause of problems that we've talked about. Secondly, you'll see the vent louvers. These are the actual louvers that direct the air. They're usually in a track like this, and sometimes they fall out of the track or they break. And finally, our business is the vent tab itself. So the vent tab connects the louvers to the rest of the vent assembly. You'll see oftentimes it is a snap-on sliding situation, so has left and right, and our vent tabs click on from the front. So you do not need to remove the vent from the dashboard. We make vent tabs. It's a patented product, and check us out on VentTabs.com.